Exponential graphs are subject to the same types of transformation as any other type of graph. If we look at this graph here, the red curve is y equals 2 to the x, which we've met before. The blue curve is 3 units above it at every single point. We can see it goes through the y-axis at 4, whereas we know the standard curve goes through at 1. The curve here is 2 to the x plus 3. We know that transformations of the type f of x plus a are vertical translations of a units. Turning our attention to this graph, we can see here that we have a horizontal shift of 2 units. F of x minus a is a transformation that moves us a units to the right. So for 2 units to the left, this must be f of x plus 2. So the curve here will be 2 to the x plus 2. Here we have 2 further graphs. For this one we can see that we have a reflection in the y-axis. If the red curve is 2 to the x, we have a transformation of the type f of minus x producing a reflection in the y-axis. So this must be the curve y is 2 to the minus x. And we saw this in example 2, that the blue curve is 2 to the minus x. Looking at this one, we have a reflection in the x-axis, and we should know this is a transformation of the type minus f of x. Therefore, the blue curve here will be y is minus 2 to the x.